Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on SUMIF function in Excel. Today, we'll explore how to calculate total sales by product code with the SUMIF function and some variations on the topic. Let's dive right in. We have a simple table here with 4 columns: product code, quantity, unit price, and sales. To start, let's calculate total sales by product code using the SUMIF function. In this example, we want to sum the total sales for a specific product code. In cell G2, I'll enter the SUMIF formula. We'll type equals SUMIF. First, we want to state the range in which we have our product codes, which is the column A, so we can select column A or type A:A, which is equivalent. Next, we select the criteria, which is the product code in cell F2. And at the end, we select sum range, which represents sum of the all values in sales, so column D, closing parentheses, and hit enter. This formula will search through column A for product code 220 and sum the corresponding sales values from column D for each entry of product code 220 in column A. As you can see, Excel quickly adds up all the sales for product 220. Simple, right? In criteria part of the formula, besides selecting the cell, we can also type the value of the product code. For example, let me delete F2 and type under the parentheses code 220. Result is the same. Now, let's make this process more dynamic using a data validation list. This will allow us to select different product codes from a drop-down menu and see the corresponding total sales automatically. To create the list, we'll first select an empty cell, let's say F3, and go to the Data tab, then choose Data Validation. Under Allow, select List, and in the source field, select the product codes in column A and push OK. Now, when you click on cell F3, you have a drop-down list with all the product codes. Let's modify our SUMIF formula to reference this drop-down. In cell G3, we'll update the formula to equals SUMIF, then type A:A. Select the cell F3 as a criteria, and again type D:D for sum range. For product code 220, we get the same result. Now, as you select different product codes from the list, Excel will automatically update the total sales for each one. This is a great way to add flexibility to your analysis. That's it. We've just walked through a few different ways to sum data in Excel based on specific criteria via SUMIF function. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Excel tips. As always, I am attaching the sample file below so that you can practice on your own, as only with practice we actually learn things and start to incorporate it into our working routine. If you find this kind of video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and help me grow my channel and community so that we can help as many people as possible. See you next time.